Hey, thank you for taking the time to click on this video. I appreciate you. If you love jewelry, you are in the right place. I am the OG, been doing this for a long time. Welcome. I'm Tiffany. You can also call me Luna, also known as the jewelry fancier. Yeah, jewelry is my thing. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey Amazon, so we're jumping right on into the rest of the Moissanite necklaces that I purchased. Look at this beautiful 7 stone, so pretty. Look at these stones shine. I hope you are doing well. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And you can join me on other sites. So let's continue. This beautiful 3 stone drop. A lot of these pieces match pieces that were seen in previous videos. There is a jewelry playlist on my channel. If you want to check out all of my jewelry videos, they are right there. And so yeah, so don't feel bad if you missed previous videos. They are there for you to check out. Look at this stone. So pretty. And then here we go. I think this is the only princess cut one I have. And I will try to tag products if you ladies and gents want to shop. You know, especially Mother's Day and all that good stuff is coming up. So I will try to tag some of these products. Beautiful. I don't own a princess cut diamond, I don't think. So yeah. And then this one I have worn. A lot of this is new and I haven't worn it because I wanted to show you guys. But I couldn't resist wearing this one. So pretty. It's almost like a smile. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, look at the shine on that. I'm not even going to count how many stones this is, but it's so pretty. And then here I have this dainty little cross. So pretty. So pretty. The sparkle and shine on these stones is immaculate. Literally, it's so nice. So good. You will see duplicates because some of these pieces, when I was able to get them in 2 different colors, I did. So you will see that. And then this piece obviously is not moissanite. This is sterling silver in a matte finish. It's a bow. And if you go to my Instagram, you can see me wearing some of these things. Very pretty. I thought that was so unique and different. So yeah, you don't really see a matte finish on silver anymore. Look at this one. I haven't seen one of these in a long time, but I like the bezel drops on the bottom. Very pretty. This would be nice for a date night or elegant evening out, or just with a button-down shirt. You know, it's very pretty. I'm so glad that the weather is warming up a little bit. Thank goodness. I'm not liking daylight savings time, guys. I'm not liking it at all, but I'm so grateful that it's nowhere near as cold as it used to be. So this is a champagne moissanite and it matches the other pieces that I showed previously. Again, I do wish the stone was a little bit richer in color, but it does look like a natural champagne diamond. It's very pretty. And just so you know, the larger the stone, the more you will pay for it with moissanite for sure, but with anything. And then I had to find a marquee cut because for some reason I've just been like really liking them for some reason. So yeah, I had to get that. And I think it's really pretty and it's a true necklace. It's not a pendant. It's a necklace. It does not come off. And yeah, I don't know. Marquee will never be my favorite cut, but I'm really liking it right now. I don't know. I don't know what that's about. But you know, I really love them when they're fat marquee and you don't really see those a lot though. Here is a heart shape. Again, you guys already heard the spiel. I'm not going to necessarily buy a heart-shaped diamond with my own money unless I have a lot of money. So yeah, this was fun to get in moissanite, a heart. It's very pretty, very sweet. And I guess you won't know it's a heart until you get really close up, but look at that. A heart cut is also not the most fiery cut. Anyway, here's the black moissanite. So yeah, again, it does look like a black diamond without the surface scratches, if that makes sense. If any of you own black diamonds like I do, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't like black diamond because of the surface scratches that they have, definitely try to get a black moissanite. Look at that. It's really pretty. And if you can't find black moissanite, just get black spinel. It's really close. This is nice and dainty and great for layering or for like, if you go to my Instagram, you can see that I like busy flower print dresses. Sometimes you just want a simple necklace with that. You don't want a crazy necklace when you've got on a bunch of florals and things like that. This is that blue green color, which I think is so pretty. It's such a pretty color. And so, yeah, I grabbed the matching necklace. And here we go, that same necklace, but in the yellow gold. So pretty. But yeah, like I'm never going to let go of my floral prints in my wardrobe. So sometimes you just want a simple necklace to go with it. You don't want too much different madness going on. You know what I mean? This is another pretty one. Look at the quality. I mean, come on. Do you know how much this would be in a diamond? It would be a lot. So good. And then I'm going to angle it so you can see. Fit for a princess. I'm telling you, absolutely fit for a princess. And then, of course, I had to pick up a station necklace because I really like these. I have a bunch of these. Like, I have one in CZ somewhere that I just untangled. So it'll be nice to compare the two. So I thought that was a good deal. And then, yes, I got that in the yellow as well. Very pretty. I think I'm preferring Moissanite in white, but you can't go wrong with yellow or rose. It was very hard to find Moissanite in rose, and then some of the prices were just outrageous. So, yeah. Here's a slightly longer line pendant, which I thought was cool. So, guys, I wear all sorts of jewelry and I rotate it. I don't even care if I get to it all. I just love it. I'm not one of those curated people. I am not a minimalist. But I'm not selling you guys anything. This pretty blue-green one, simple, classic, sleek, and clean. These videos are just to give you guys ideas for your own jewelry collection and to give you an idea. Maybe you want to try something like this or maybe you'll like it. Look at this. I love this. I love this. This is so sleek and pretty. I just think this is really cool. It's so simple, but it's very like classic and sleek. I really, really like that a lot. The Virgo in me really likes this. It looks really good on, especially with a nice watch on your wrist. It's beautiful. And then this is a sweet little heart. Very pretty. The camera is not doing it justice. But yeah, these videos are not necessarily, I'm not auctioning this stuff off. I do not go to thrift stores. This is not one of those channels. This is my personal jewelry collection. And look at this. This is more of a statement piece and I love it. It's a true necklace. The stone does not move. Everything in this video is set in precious metals, guys. I'm not really a base metal girl except for what I've purchased in the past. And I guess like for when I go on vacation, I 9 times out of 10 will take costume jewelry with me. This is a beautiful dressy little chevron. This can be dressed up. This can be dressed down. What jewelry I wear depends on the weather, depends on the occasion, depends on my mood, depends on my outfit, depends on how I'm feeling. I just think jewelry is so fun and I collect it. I do not apologize about that. Here's another blue-green one. This is a key. And I thought that was cool. Remember when these were popular back in the day? I think Tiffany and Company used to do keys. I don't even know if they still do the keys. But these used to be a big thing back in the day, and I was excited to see this. This is a very sweet, very, very, really sweet solitaire necklace, a classic, but it's a true necklace. Most people are wearing pendants. This is a necklace that does not come off, which is very nice. You don't really see these anymore. It's not a sliding pendant. The same with this as well. It's a true necklace. It is not a pendant. It does not come off. So I thought that was just beautiful. Again, kind of like romantic and elevated and elegant, classy. Pure luxury here, guys. Like jewelry is a luxury. It really is. It's not something that we need. This is a beautiful necklace, 4 stones. They are bezel set, just classy. I like the texture around the bezel. And again, most of these can be layered. Most of them can be dressed up, dressed down, worn every day. I'm just not that type of girl to wear something every day. I change my jewelry out every single day for the most part, unless I'm super, super tired. But yeah, I don't have signature pieces, guys. Like, no, I rotate my jewelry, especially because I have so much of it. This is a beautiful piece with I think this should be, yes, it's yellow moissanite, which is very rare. This is the only piece I could find that was in a price that I was comfortable paying for a lab grown stone. Very pretty. And again, it is the color of a natural yellow diamond. Like, it's not the color of the irradiated yellow diamonds, which a lot of us have seen. No, this is definitely a true yellow. Like, it's more of a soft, buttery Tweety bird, like a pale Tweety bird color. Like, it's not highlighter yellow or like school bus yellow. It's very pretty. I just don't have any matching pieces, but that's okay. Look at this heart. I thought that was cool, as if I don't have enough heart necklaces or heart jewelry, period, but I couldn't resist. Listen, it's my money. I do what I want. Jesus saves, I spend, okay? That's just what it is, okay? Jesus saves, I spend. I will live on that, okay? I stand on that 10 tones down. So, yeah, this is not a minimalist channel. And yes, I do wear my jewelry. A beautiful pendant. Like, this one does come off the chain. Very pretty, but I got one in yellow. I rotate. Like, I wear everything. I wear yellow, I wear white, I wear rose. Sometimes they have that jewelry set in black rhodium. I have a little bit of that, like not much of it. I wear beads, I wear pearls, I wear colored gemstones. I wear everything. And if you want to see it, go to my channel page so you can click on the playlist. Look at this. Look at that. It's like a radiant cut, which again, I'd buy it in diamonds if I could afford it, sure. And this is like helping me to get an idea of what I will buy when it's time to go shopping for natural diamonds. So it's nice to play with these cuts and shapes in moissanite first. And then we all have this in diamond, but I saw it in moissanite, so I got it. And honestly, the moissanite is prettier than most diamonds. It just is, but I will never forsake a diamond. I do love diamonds too. Look at this beautiful necklace here. It's like a double setting with a sweet little drop that doesn't move. I thought that was really unique. It doesn't move. And I just think that's so pretty. I've never seen a necklace like that before. And I like to have jewelry that I don't see everybody else wearing. I don't know how the rest of people do it, where they just buy something that everybody and their mother has and that everyone's got knockoffs of. I can't do it. Like, I don't like to see people wearing the same jewelry as me, especially every day. Look at her, gorgeous in her bezel setting. And you guys, I was watching Duchess Megan Sussex's show. I think this is something she would wear. I wish we could talk. I wish we could look in each other's jewelry boxes. Megan, Miss Sussex, if you're watching this, we need to be friends. I'm just saying, like, you come to New York, I'll come to Montecito or something. Like, we need to be friends. This is a beautiful necklace as well. I would lend Megan my jewelry. I would. I would let her borrow some of my jewelry. Borrow. She couldn't have it. I let her borrow some of my jewelry. I really would. I just love her. I love her. But anyway, look at this glam piece. This has matching pieces. A lot of these necklaces have matching pieces, which you all would have seen if you've seen my latest videos, my 2025 videos. You will have seen matching pieces. You can't really tell, but it has a pink halo. So like the pink sapphire halo. Matching pieces. Sapphire is my birthstone. I love them even more when they're pink. So yeah, nothing I'm against the blue sapphire. I'm not. And guys, wait till you see what I bought myself as a treat, like a congratulations to myself. Wait till you guys see what I bought. Keyword diamonds. But anyway, this is a pretty little thing. I mean, some of you would wear something like this every day, and that's sweet. I'm happy some of you have a signature look, but I just hoard jewelry. Like, I love it. I love it. So here's a precious 3 stone. I've been really liking bezel set lately, and I don't know why, but bezel settings have been calling my name lately. I don't know what that's about. Marquee cuts have also been calling my name lately. I don't know what that's about either, but we're just gonna roll with it, right? Because we can wear whatever we want. um, Here's another three stone, but the stones are not graduated. They are uniform here. Very pretty. And this does come off the chain. So cool. I mean, I think we've all seen something like this, but look at it in moissanite. And I must admit, it's hard to go back to cubic zirconia for the most part. This is beautiful as well. And I think we're coming up to the last piece, guys. This is the last piece I have in this video. Stay tuned. I have jewelry from the brand Alice coming up. And I have some other videos coming up as well, some styling ideas and whatnot. And thanks for hanging with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Get yourself some moissanite. Take care, guys. Bye.